Today on Boston Girl Bakes, I'm going to be showing you how to make this super simple carrot layer cake.
Hey bakers, welcome to my channel. My name is Heather and I'm the recipe creator and cookbook author at bostongirlbakes.com, where I love teaching others just how easy baking from scratch can be. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a super easy carrot layer cake frosted with cream cheese icing that is going to be perfect for your Easter dinner. This carrot cake is super simple to throw together. It's made with oil, which means it's not only going to make a moist carrot cake, but it also means you don't need to break out your electric mixer. Let's get started. Let's make a carrot cake.
Start by greasing two 9-inch round cake pans with nonstick cooking spray and then line with parchment paper on the bottom. Give one final spray and set those aside. Then in a large mixing bowl, whisk together 2½ cups of flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1½ teaspoon cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon nutmeg. Just whisk that all together and set that aside. In a second bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups oil, 1 1/2 cups granulated sugar, a half a cup of packed light brown sugar, and 4 room temperature large eggs. Simply whisk that all together until it's evenly combined. Once it's all been whisked together, go ahead and stir in your dry ingredients. You want to make sure at this point that you're not over mixing your cake batter. Over mixing is going to cause a really chewy, dense cake. So I just stir until the last of the flour has been stirred in. Once that is all combined, go ahead and stir in your shredded carrots. I used about 6 to 7 medium carrots that I shredded by hand. I find shredding by hand helps ensure that the carrots aren't broken down too much and mushy. Then go ahead and divide the cake batter between your two pans. I just use a cookie scoop to evenly divide the batter so I know that there is an equal amount of batter in each pan. Then bake at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes. Once they're done, just test with a toothpick and the tops of the cake should spring back when lightly touched. Then let these cool and go ahead and frost with cream cheese frosting. I'll link to my cream cheese frosting recipe below. Make sure your frosting is at room temperature before attempting to frost your cake, and then just simply use an offset spatula to frost the top and sides of the cake.
So there you go. That is how to make my super easy carrot layer cake with cream cheese icing. If you enjoyed this recipe, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.